Happy Christmas.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a short little video because I'm about to go outside in extreme winter weather. So it's pretty much a whiteout outside and the wind is blowing so hard right now. And I've still got to collect my eggs, take care of my chickens. So as soon as I walk out this door, I swear if my phone gets blown out of my hand, I will not be surprised. So this is what's going on here. It's like a lot whiter. I think it's a lot whiter outside than it is on camera. Like there's a ton of snow blowing that you can't easily see on camera. But let's see how this goes. And evidently we have some cracks in the ceiling. Hey girls! Is this open? I don't want that. Okay, good. Alright. Hey ladies! We gotta check to make sure that their water is... Oh man, that's all frozen. Ugh. This egg's gone. This one's fine though. Are there any more eggs? Yes. Hi, Mix. Excuse me. Oh, she's a little fidgety. This egg looks good. Oh, no. Shoot, did you hear that pop? One of the eggs just broke. Oh my gosh. This girl's getting a little bit of frostbite. It's not good. Oh, it's okay, White Lily. The leghorns usually get it really bad in the winter. Oh, I'm sorry. But you have an egg that I would like to have. They're actually surprisingly laying. Just realized Kiwi's got a little bit of frostbite on his wattles too. Yeah, this is the rough stage of life, Kiwi. I got them some water here. Here you go, ladies. Drink up. Oh my gosh. One of my gloves went flying across the yard because it blew out of my pocket. And that was like the fastest sprint I've ever done in snow clothes. The wind is incredibly harsh. Yeah, y'all some veggies. Here you go, we'll have to go to the store or something to get them some broccoli probably. I'm gonna fix this here. In. Okay, it's better. I was gonna make a Christmas music video today, but I don't know about that anymore. I'm gonna check on the Silky Boys. Look at this drift. It's all just like blowing everywhere. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Babies. You okay? Yeah, I should have shut that vent. Maybe it's not extremely dry. Oh my gosh. How is there snow in my food? Alright, there you go. Oh my gosh. That definitely was an adventure, so I do not want to go outside again.